Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A27, A26 and A25. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare the display features. They offer Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Galaxy A27 is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the A26 and A25 come with Exynos chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. All 3 mobiles come with 5000 mAh batteries. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, 3 speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 and fingerprints. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.